few months ago, I posted a video that showed how to build a customized version of some of the inflation, deflation kits that are out there, which hit up all 4 tires at the same time. I decided that even though I ran some tests at the house, it'd probably be more appropriate to take it into the field and actually do it outdoors. I'm going to start with Jenny's rig first. I start by laying the kit out, getting the hoses to each tire. Once that's done, I can start putting everything together. There's going to be dust and some debris, so the best practice is to just make sure you wipe off the 1/4-inch couplers before you pop them in. Same exact thing goes for the driver's side. Just make sure those connectors are all cleaned off. Don't want to get any dust in there. The last step is the centerpiece for all this, and that's the 3-way manifold here. I'll connect the 2 lines from the passenger and the driver's side to each end of it, and I got a digital gauge to pop on the top. Make sure that valve is in the off position before you begin. Once the kit's fully assembled, you can start patching in the air chucks to all of the air stems. Just like with the couplers, these air chucks are actually pretty susceptible to dust and debris, so it's a good practice to also make sure these are cleaned off before you patch them in. Jenny's got 35 PSIs all around, so we're going to drop it down to about 20-ish, maybe like a 22 or something. We didn't need to go down into the teens. We just wanted to soften the blow of the washboard roads coming up ahead.
Alright. There we go.
With Jenny's rig out of the way, it was time to take care of my own.
Sweet. Alright.
Now I run my tires at about 45 PSI, but I'm going to be bringing them down to about 22 also. Now that I've reached 22, I can start disconnecting and putting the kit away.
Alright. There we go. Disconnect everything.
With both of our rigs floating at 22 PSI, the trails were going to be a whole lot smoother. The kit works pretty great. It shaved off a whole lot of time from the airing down process, and that's just one of them. As soon as we get back home, I'm going to make a duplicate for Jenny. We'll save even more time.